This is exactly how you can delete a YouTube channel from your Android or from the YouTube app basically. You can follow this guide on any device, either iOS or Android. So this is, there are a lot of videos on this YouTube channel. Let me show you how to delete it. Now, the first way to do it is simply open the Google Chrome or any web browser that you have. Okay, now here you have to search for Studio and open this URL studio.youtube.com. Simply open this URL from here and let it open. You might see a confirmation of continue to studio instead of get the app. Tap on that thing and here let me show you the complete step properly. So as you can see this, here you will find the settings icon right below this. Tap on this settings icon. Here you have to find and select on channel. In the channel here, scroll over here, tap on advanced settings. Let me unzoom it. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on remove YouTube content. Step doesn't end here. Tap on remove YouTube content and here you will ask for some confirmations like, so basically, first of all, you have to log in into the YouTube thing. Like it will ask you for this, but I have done it once, so it's not asking me. Now here you have two options. I want to hide my channel or I want to permanently delete my content. So tap on this thing, your all videos, playlists, channels, subscription, subscribers, everything will be deleted, or any paid prime membership that you have, and tap on delete the content. So this is how you can delete a YouTube channel from your Android or iOS device very easily, very fast. I hope you found the video helpful. This is a video from Fixit Kunal or Backdroid. I hope you found the video helpful. Thanks for watching.